Welcome back to one of our entrepreneur training section. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali. In today's training, we shall be treating how to make tiles cleaner. That means we shall be treating what you can use to clean up tiles at home, both wall tiles and floor tiles. So in this particular training of making 10 liters of tiles cleaner, we only need 3 items, 2 chemicals to be precise, that is hydrochloric acid and sulfonic acid. So 1 liter of hydrochloric acid in 500 milliliters of sulfonic acid plus 8 liters of clean water will give us about 10 liters of tiles cleaner. So tiles cleaner is used to clean tiles. So before we go further, let's discuss the precautions in preparing these particular home care products. Do not make your preparation close to naked fire. Do not keep your chemicals close to naked fire. Avoid direct contact with the chemicals. Keep chemicals out of the reach of children and do not taste chemicals. So hydrochloric acid, it's a colorless, transparent, organic liquid chemical. It is used in removing stain from metals, from ceramic and glasses. Then another material we'll be using is the sulfonic acid. That is a foaming and cleaning agent, and it's also a thickening agent. The idea about this, it's simple. Hydrochloric acid, which is stain removal from tiles, from ceramic, from glass, from metals. And we have sulfonic acid, which is a foaming and cleaning agent. So it's just like adding soap into a chemical that removes stains from ceramic, and we know our tiles is a form of ceramic. So the idea is simple. We have a stain removal plus soap. So sulfonic acid is a foaming agent, so it's the one that foams and cleans so that you can wash it off, so that when the other one removes the stain, the other one washes the stain out. So that's the idea. So let's go into the preparation proper. In the preparation for tiles cleaner, we only need 2 basic chemicals. We have CLC, that is hydrochloric acid. Then we have our sulfonic acid. So these are the 2 ingredients we will be using. So we need to pour water into a bowl, then we add sulfonic into it. In this particular production, we will be preparing 2 liters. So instead of using 500 milliliters, we divide 500 milliliters by 4. So that is what we are using for this solution. So that is what we added into the water. So after adding and stirring properly, 1000 milliliters divided by 4 will be giving us 250 milliliters of hydrochloric acid. As you can see, that's the flame. It's a little bit offensive. You should take it away from your nose when using. See the way it's flaming out. So that is the real cleaner. That is the real stain remover from ceramics, metal, and also removes this from glass. But our sulfonic will be the washing agent, so that while we are trying to remove, we also have to wash it off. So we mix the 2 together and we have our chemical ready. We only need to leave it for about 3 hours. Then we stir again and get it packed into whichever container we want to pack it into. So I want to use this container for another preparation, so I need to add it into a separate container, cover it up, then leave it for about 3 hours before packing for usage.